Welcome, credit warriors. Today we're diving deep into the American Express jail and uncovering the secrets of the Amex pop-up. I'm your guide on this creative journey, and together we'll navigate this credit card maze with style. Let's jump right in. The American Express jail is like a hurdle on your credit card journey. It occurs when you're denied for American Express due to having something similar in your wallet. But fear not, my savvy credit cousins. We are here to escape this credit jail. Now let's unlock the secrets of the American Express pop-up. When you apply for American Express card, this mysterious message pops up revealing your eligibility for welcome offers without a credit check. It's like a hidden doorway to exclusive credit card perks. The American Express pop-up does hold vital information. It might inform you that you're not eligible for the welcome offer based on your credit history, balance transfers, or the number of cards opened and closed. But wait, there's more to this story. Many people actually encountered this American Express pop-up even if they followed the rules. But don't lose hope. I'm going to share some stories and insight on how to crack this code and help you navigate the credit card landscape like a pro. Now, escaping the American Express jail and outsmarting the pop-up requires some creative strategies. One popular approach is to wait a few weeks before reapplying and demonstrating the responsible credit usage on your credit card. It's like playing a strategic game of credit chess, so to speak. Now let's talk about the significance of the American Express pop-up. If you receive this message, you can cancel your application without it affecting your credit score. It's like having an escape route to avoid any negative impact on your credit journey. Additionally, there's a helpful website that I really like and that you can visit to check your American Express status and actually see your card sign up dates. Just head over to this website here and gain insight into your credit card timeline. It's a valuable tool to track your process. I think a lot of you may want to check this out. This literally gives you history of every credit card that you apply for with American Express. Now, as we conclude our creative credit journey, always remember that the American Express pop-up is just a part of the credit game. Stay focused, stay curious, and explore the endless possibilities in the world of your credit. Your credit journey is a canvas waiting for your unique strokes of brilliance. Thank you for joining us on the credit quest through the American Express jail and the American Express pop-up. Okay, you will break free of it. Just follow these steps. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more creative credit insights. Keep shining, credit cousins, and until next time, see you soon. Bye.